We are HClick. It's quite a simple reason because I always wanted to join something linked to entrepreneurial ideas or entrepreneurial project. So in A-level in London, I did not join the Young Enterprise, which was also an entrepreneurial project. So in LSE, I thought that I should have done something that I wanted to do. That's why I chose to join HKEC.
And I think it's a good opportunity to diversify your CV. If you're doing law, it's nice to do something different. Maybe if you do economics, you can touch with some legal issues as well.
For me, I feel as if we constantly sort of complain about what we don't have in the society, but then in a sense, we haven't thought about what we can do about those problems. So I think HKEC is the closest things that you can get to create something that you feel as if would be useful to the society and solve some sort of social issues that you care about.
Similar to Terry, I was interested in these kind of things, and I did internships at similar NGOs or social enterprises, and so I think this is a good way for anyone who is slightly interested in this area and wants to get first-hand experience in drafting from proposals to researching to actually making a pitch at the end. It's a good experience.
I thought coming up with the social aim to resolve was one of the biggest challenge out of all. So we actually had a few ideas, such as what ideas did we have? We had second-hand textbook, food waste, but we chose the underutilization of labor forces in Hong Kong, and then we narrowed it down to homemakers, as it would be a more practical solution to the social aim. If I was to pick one word to describe my experience, it would be rewarding. First of all, literally in the money sense, we had a monetary reward of £800, and second of all, it was rewarding because it was a good chance to build a team, to have a new experience, to learn more about how to make a business proposal, to know more about the social problems in Hong Kong.
I think for me it's eye-opening because not only do you know more as to the social issues that you wish to tackle, you also look into other people's proposals. So in a way, you get to view the society in different perspectives.
I think it's quite reflective because during the process, we know what we're good at. For example, Gen and I, we're doing economics, and then we think that we're better at maths than the others. We're not saying that they're not good, but we're better at maths than them. And the rest, the others, they're doing law, so they're better at reading stuff and then actually writing things down and coming up with different ideas and actually what's bad about the idea and stuff.
For me, I thought it was a bit of an experiment because for us, we had a very broad framework of what we should be doing as probably a one-line guideline as to what we should be doing. But other than that, we were very flexible as to the problem we choose, the methods we do, the way we pitch our idea in the end. I thought our idea at the very end was very different from all the other teams. And I think that flexibility gives you much more leeway for creativity or to be different, to be unconventional, even though other teams may be doing more conventional problems or in a more conventional way.
Multi-purpose.
Unique.
Eye-opening.
Reflective.
Rewarding.
Experimental.